I'm here today with my August favorites. How in the world is August over? I can't believe it. It is so crazy how fast time is going. Like, before I know it, the baby is gonna be here, and I'm just like so pumped for that. So no complaints that it's going by fast, but it's already the end of August, going into September, and I wanted to share with you guys some of my favorites for the month, because I have quite a few new ones that I wanted to obviously share with you. So if you are new, welcome to my channel. My name is Cassie. I hope you enjoy my channel. You decided to stay a while. Hit that subscribe button. Don't forget to give this video a thumbs up and hit that notification bell. And let's get into my favorites. So the first thing, let's do primers. Yeah. The Tatcha, this primer is phenomenal. It's amazing. If the sale is still going on for Sephora, I highly recommend picking it up. You literally need the littlest amount of product, and it's so good. It's so good at blurring. It has a nice tacky base. It's just really a phenomenal primer that really you don't need a whole lot of product, and it's so good. I use this every day. I absolutely love it. Another primer that's new, I don't even think it's out yet, but I got it in PR. The Farsali Skin Tune Blur. This is awesome. It's their Perfecting Power Serum. It literally makes your face feel like a baby's bottom. It smooths the fine lines. It smooths the pores. It's so good. So I love using this like all over my face. And then I use this one just kind of in the T-zone, just as a little extra coverage right in my pores where it's really concentrated. You don't even need to use this if you're using this, to be honest, but it's so nice and just blurs everything. It is like Facetune for your face. So even if you're not gonna wear makeup, it really smooths out the skin and makes your skin look so baby soft. And it smells really good too. So I really like that. The Natasha Denona Transform Matte. You guys are gonna get tired of hearing me say this. This foundation is just freaking awesome. I bought it and I have it in 2 different colors now because I love it that much. It's such a phenomenal foundation. It's long wearing. I get over 12 hours of wear time. It looks like skin. It blends into the skin nicely. It doesn't settle. It doesn't accentuate texture, fine lines. It doesn't accentuate dryness. It's just so, so good. Finn is like over here and he keeps bringing me his ball because he wants me to play so bad, but I have so much work to do. Hi, Finny boy. Hi. I gotta work. I gotta work, buddy. But I love you. You're so good. You're such a good boy. So this is amazing. I have it in 40N light medium for when I am tan. And then I recently from the VIB sale just bought it in 23R light for when I am not self-tanned. Milani Most Loved Mattes. Why did I wait so long to buy this? I have no idea. It's phenomenal. It is so good. It's got a nice mirror and you have a nice array of like neutrals, purpley cool tones, and warm tones. It's so nice. It's like a perfect companion palette. If you have a palette that you really, really love, that's super shimmery or sparkly, or you have like your favorite glitter shadows that you love, or foiled shadows, this is the perfect palette to just have as a like companion palette with it. You have some really great deep browns to deepen up the outer crease. You have some great crease shades, transition shades, brow bone shades. They're all super creamy. They blend amazing. I don't know why I've waited so long to try this. I got mine at Walmart, $15. It's amazing. 2 new palettes. These ones I just recently bought. These are the KKW. This is the KKW and Mario palette. I didn't buy it when it released or there was all the buzz, but recently I was like, I kind of want to try KKW. I've not tried anything from their brand. So I purchased this one and it's really pretty. This cream shade is like phenomenal. This crease shade is gorgeous. This deeper dark brown is amazing. I love this shade. I wore this the other day all over my eye. There's a couple shades I haven't played with yet. This is a beautiful inner corner highlight. Just a really nice, beautiful palette. I really like it. I love that it didn't smell like paint thinner when I got it, which is what happened to my every Kylie Cosmetics palette I bought. Like the bigger palettes, they all smell like paint thinner. So I like that these don't smell. I love the packaging. And then this one is the KKW Beauty Eyeshadow Palette is what it says. I love the nude and the colors are just beautiful. This looks very similar to like the Laura Lee Nudie Patootie palette. There's a lot of similar shades. Like this is one of my favorite shades in the Nudie Patootie palette. That's very similar. Same with this yellowy shade and the peachy shade. So there are a lot of similarities to this as the Nudie Patootie palette, but I love this. This one's the one I've been using the most lately. The colors are just beautiful. They're very neutral, muted. It's not super bright, very easy to work with. They blend really nicely, so I'm really loving that. Still on these Sephora Gel Lip Liners. They're amazing. This one is in the Nudist. The other one that I use all the time is Sink or Swim. I use them every day. They just pair well with everything. And today I have it on with, I'm trying this new thing out from Too Faced. I'm currently doing a testing new products, well, foundation test of the new Do You, which is what's on my face. And then I have from the Tutti Frutti collection, the Honey Please is the glitter on my eyes. And the lip color is the Grin and Bear It. And then also on my eyes, I got this from the VIB sale. It's the Natasha Denona Camel palette. That's what else is on my eyes. And then my highlight, hello, can you see it beaming? The Makeup Revolution palette that I think I showed last month for favorites. I'm still loving that, but I know I just showed it. So anyways, I'm loving these liners. They're very, very good. I'm also loving these. I got these recently, the MAC Dazzle Liquids. I bought these at the MAC store and I wanted to try them out, so I swatched them, and these two kind of piqued my interest. This one is in Flash and Dash. I actually wore this yesterday, but I didn't film. I was going to, but I didn't. It's just gold and pink and silver. Really pretty. They're definitely like a glitter shadow, like glitter suspended, but they're not opaque like the Stila ones. I find those ones are a little bit more opaque. They have a little bit more of a base and density to the glitter. So these ones are a little bit more sheer, so if you don't want your skin peeking through, you'll want a shadow underneath. And then this one is Every Day is Sunshine. And they had quite a few shades. These ones were the ones that just stuck out to me the most. Now this one, Every Day is Sunshine, is more of a cream shadow versus like a clear with a lot of glitter. This one has more pigment to it, and it's more like a cream shadow versus a glittery top coat, if that makes sense. They're really nice. They have quite a few different shades, and they performed really well on the eyes, so I really like those. And then what was I feel like there was like one more thing I was gonna talk about. Oh, also the Dose of Colors Nude Chica. I don't know if I mentioned this last month, but these last all day on the lips. Absolutely amazing. I love this color. There was four colors in the collection. Nude Chica is my favorite. I wear it all the time. I wear it with Nudist. I wear it with Sink or Suede. It's just really good. Lasts all day, very comfortable. And the last thing is this liner from MAC. It's what's on my my liner. It's in Brush Black, and it is matte black. It is so easy to get such a nice fine flick for your winged liner. And it stays nice and saturated. It is a brush tip versus a felt tip, and it's so good. I don't know why it's taken me so long to buy this, but I bought this at the same time I got these guys, and I love this. It is such a good liner. Black, easy to work with, flexible, very pigmented. And I actually had my friend who's a makeup artist the other day say, what liner are you using? It's so black and so matte. I'm like, Brush Black. It's amazing. So brushstroke liner from MAC. Okay, guys, so that is it for my favorites. Just had a few that I wanted to share with you. What are some products you've been loving for the month of August? Let me know down in the comments below. Don't forget to subscribe before you leave, and I will see you guys in the next one. Bye.